Meet the Navigator, your central hub for managing all swept path analyses in one place. It keeps your workflow simple, fast, and intuitive. From one dialog, you can edit analyses, run commands, and stay in full control over your project. Jump straight to an analysis. Generate a graph, or zoom in on the graph itself. Select any analysis and adjust its parameters instantly in the Properties panel. You can even launch an animation, insert vehicle stamps, or hide analyses you don't need for printing. Continue a simulation, assign a vehicle profile, or rename a path, all without leaving the Navigator. The result is a smooth, user-friendly workflow where every tool is just one click away.